welcome back to my channel. So as promised, I will be doing another Valentine's Day theme makeup. This time I did the red one last time. This time we are going to go on to pink. If I look like I'm dying please excuse me. I literally got up and I was like, you know what, I have to do this look because I promised you guys it, so I'm gonna do it. I already did my face and brows off camera, so I want to solely focus on the eyes today. And yeah, let's get started. I already primed my eyelids. What I used to prime my eyelids today is concealer, but I used a different concealer. I used the Pro Blend by Caramia to set my eyelids. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to go in to my Dare to Create palette, and I'm going to use a transition shade to set my concealer. I'm going to use the lightest shade in the palette. So the next shade I will be going in with is, I'm going to be using the Zulu palette by Juvius, and I'm going to go in with the pink in that palette. So taking a small brush, I'm just going to focus on the outer end. I'm just stamping this in to get the shape that I want. So after placing the pink shade from the Juvius Base palette, I'm now going to go into my Dare to Create palette and take this shade, and I'm going to place that right above the first pink shade to buff out the edges. So now I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, so both eyes are done now, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go into my Wet n Wild palette, and I'm going to take the pink shade in the palette and I'm going to focus that in my crease. So using a crease brush from Sacha, I'm going to place that color right in my crease. So now that I did that on both eyes, we are now going to cut the crease. So we want for the cut crease, we want a kind of winged shape. So that is what I'll be going for today, a wing shape. And we will be using, to do that, 2 brushes. So what I'm going to do is, like always, I'm going to place my concealer right here, look up, so I'll know where to stop. after finished doing that, just gonna go back in with my small brush and just place that color back right there. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna actually take the pink color and create a shadow wing. So what you're gonna do is you wanna place the color right here, and you wanna blend it in such a way that it will create the wing for you. So now that we have that, I want to set my concealer that I put with a pink color. I want to set it with a light pink color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Miss Rosé professional makeup palette. This palette is so cute, like it has like a bunch of pinks in them. And I'm going to take a flat shader brush and I'm going to go in with this light pink color here. I'm going to place that all over the lid. Actually, not really all over the lid, but I'm just going to place that to the ends. So the next color I'm going to go with is I'm going to use my Morphe 35 B palette, and I'm going to take these two colors right here. So this is more purple and this is more pink, but I'm going to mix the two. So I'm going to take the pink first on a flat brush, just like that. I'm going to place it on my lid. So I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I will be right back. We're going to move on to the lower lash line. And for the lower lash line, what I'm going to do is I am going to... The reason why that you guys are seeing me in a different color, like darker right now, is because the sun is setting, so I have no sunlight. But anyway, so I'm going to take this color in the 35B palette by Morphe, and I'm going to use that to do my lower lash line. Both eyes are done, so what I'm going to do to buff that color out, the same color from the Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to go back in my Wet n Wild palette and I'm going to take that same pink color on my small brush and I'm just gonna buff that out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply my lashes and liner off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so lashes are in. The lighting has changed because the sun has went down, so please just bear with me. So today for lips, I am going to be doing pink lips. I'm going to be using Leading Lady and the Selfie Pink in the Lip Velvet from Sacha. That's it for lips. Okay, so this look is basically done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just pop on some clothes, do my hair, and I'll be right back. So that's it for the makeup look today. What I did off camera was I went back in this palette and I took this shade here. I'm not sure if you like this. It's not really pink, it's like a champagne color, and I highlighted my cheeks and my nose and my forehead, and yeah, that's basically it. So I want to thank you guys so much for supporting me. If you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I really do hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you back again. Bye.